Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and don't worry about my hair because it's really messy. I just woke up, and I am playing with some slimes. Yes, I have some scents over here, but I'm not gonna use it. So here is this like small little slime. I don't know what the names are. So how about you guys comment down below to see what names they should comment down below. Names for all the slime that I take out. Ew, there's hair in it. Ew. This is gonna be one of them that you're gonna name because I actually all of them. So name this one, these two. I think I have a name for this one, but this one's grape. This one's grape smoothie. No, grape soda. Yeah, I forgot because I haven't played with these slimes in a long time. Yeah, let's see that. Ew, there's dried slime. Ew. Okay. Whoa, guys, do you see that? It's like coming out really. Whoa, that came out really easily. There's like nothing. There's nothing in here. Okay. There. It's a really sticky slime. I'm not kidding. And I forgot to say, subscribe, like this video, and smash that notifications bell. Because then if I get to 500 likes, I will be giving you I'll be giving slime away. Yeah. So, and if I get like, or maybe like 5 or like 10 subscribers, I will show you my privates on my Musical.ly account. So yeah. So if I get to 10 or more subscribers, I will be showing my private my Musical.lys that are private. And if I get to 500 likes, I will be giving some slime away, and this will be one of the slimes I'm gonna be giving away. It's like all the slimes I'm gonna be giving away. So hurry up right now. Go like this video and subscribe right now. It's a little sticky because I haven't been playing with it for a long time, but I can make it non-stickier, stickier. Oh, see, look at that stickiness guy. Okay. So we're just gonna get some bubblegum. Yes. I have sour apple and bubblegum. Okay, there. I tried this once and it made it non-sticky.